Today, I'm going to show you how to set a password on your Microsoft Access database. This is a great way to add an extra layer of security to your data, ensuring that only authorized users can access sensitive information stored in your database files. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and load into your database. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin the password setup process. This first step is important because you need to have the specific database file open that you want to protect with a password. Now look towards the top part of your screen and click on the File tab. This will open up a menu with various options for managing your database file. From this menu, locate and click on the Info option. The Info section is where Microsoft Access houses important file management features, including security and protection settings for your database. Under the Info section, the process becomes pretty straightforward. You'll see an option labeled Encrypt with Password. Click on this option to proceed. Encryption is what makes your database secure, scrambling the data so that it can only be read by someone who knows the correct password. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter the password you wish to set on your Microsoft Access database file. Type in your desired password carefully. Make sure you choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for maximum security. Remember that this password will be required every time you or anyone else tries to open this database, so choose something memorable but not easily guessable. After entering your password, you'll typically be asked to confirm it by typing it again. This ensures you didn't make any typing errors. Once you've confirmed the password, click OK or Apply to finalize the encryption. Microsoft Access will then encrypt your database file with the password you've set. From this point forward, whenever you or anyone else tries to open this database file, Access will prompt for the password before allowing access to the data. Without the correct password, the file remains encrypted and protected. And that's it. You've successfully set a password on your Microsoft Access database, adding an important security measure to protect your valuable data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.